What approach to motivating students is used by making encouraging remarks such as, I know you can do it. Keep trying. That's my boy. No, that's my boy. Or that's my girl. Would this be letter A, assertive approach? Letter B, success approach. Letter C, behavioral modification approach. Or letter D, acceptance approach. Or indeed right, it is letter B, success approach. Mga iba't ibang klase natin ng curriculum approaches. Teacher's job is to help students make good choices, has the capacity, has the potential to be successful. Yan po yung ating success approach. No? Ang assertive po, yung ating pong teacher dito ay may rules, very clear, okay? Very clear expectations niya ng behavior and uses firm voice. So eye-to-eye contact. Ibig sabihin po ng assertive, no? Ay meron siyang paninindigan. Ang business academic approach naman, para siyang business, no? Kung palakarin niya yung kanyang classroom. Ibig sabihin, no? Meron silang mga homework, di ba? Meron silang kanya-kanyang dapat gawin. Behavior modification, of course, no? By the terms that we see there, behavior modification, gumagamit po ng reward and punishment. Then you have group managerial approach, no? Yung pag-re-respond niya is by using the group student behavior. Na kumbaga hindi niya sinisingle out yung isang estudyante. Then you have group guidance, okay? So halos magkaparehas po sila ng group managerial. Discipline and classroom control are facilitated through good group atmosphere and enhanced group rapport. Acceptance approach, individual needs to feel acceptance.